guys, good evening. Right now it's about 6:37 and today is 11th of February 2021. I'm your host Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst. I'm partner with Zerodha, Upstocks, Fires and Astha Trade, and I'm chief mentor and founder of StockPro. So here you are present on my channel, and this is what I yesterday suggested, that I don't find Nifty to be weak at all. Whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, I'm not finding both of them weak. So here we stand. As I told you, it opened a little gap down and then bounced back, right? The clear indication Nifty has given that it doesn't plan to go down, right? Same goes with Bank Nifty also. Bank Nifty has refused to break this level. In case these levels are broken tomorrow, right? In case these levels are broken, then only I would say that the Nifty has become bearish. But in case Nifty continues to defend and goes above this high, which is 36,599 or 36,600, then I'm expecting a move up in Bank Nifty, right? But right now, the levels which are very, very crucial is 35,500. Nifty is really consolidating, Bank Nifty is consolidating here. Let's see how it goes tomorrow, right? If it becomes positive, if it takes a support from here and goes up, I will expect a good move up. But in case it doesn't, and levels are broken, then a fall can also be expected, right? But still, I would say I'm still sticking to my analysis. I will always do in Bank Nifty as of now, buy on dip, right? Any opportunity that I will get in Bank Nifty or Nifty, I will buy on dip, right? So the reasons are many, like the sector which looks very promising and which is pulsating right now. There are three sectors. First of them is the cement sector. Cement sector is looking extremely good. Metal sector is looking good. IT sector is looking good. These three sectors are really, really looking good. And then FMCG is also looking to be coming up from the bottom, right? So these sectors, when they look so positive, and my personal perception is if metal is positive, Nifty will the market will not come down, right? Maybe Bank Nifty may correct a little bit because it's been consolidating and the price is shifting in the downward direction, so there could be a fall, right? And if this low is broken, we can expect a good fall, but still I would say I will buy on the lower levels. So the stocks that I have for tomorrow on my radar are, first one is Sun Pharma. So if you notice this candle of Sun Pharma today, it has engulfed these tiny little candles, almost like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of candles. It has engulfed, right? So above this high, which is 650, we can expect a good move up in Sun Pharma. And I think it is the next target that we can expect is it definitely about 30 points, about 5% move we can be expecting in this particular stock. As I told you, the cement sector is looking good. So here is Ambuja Cement. Look how the price is shifting slowly, gradually. Crossing this barrier of 280 is going to be very, very important, right? So if tomorrow Ambuja crosses 280, it's a good opportunity to invest, right? Then Jindal Steel, right? Jindal Steel, or you look into any steel, VEDL, look at this. Look at Hindalco. All of them are really, crossing their local peaks, right? Like whatever was the closest resistance, it has crossed. A few days back, I have made a video and I said that if Hindalco goes above 273, you can definitely expect a very, very good move up in Hindalco, right? So let me just have a look if this is the lifetime high. So yeah, it is the lifetime high. It looks like to be the lifetime high. So if I told you any stock which crosses its high, you can definitely expect 10% move. And okay, not 10%, at least some kind of a move you can definitely expect, right? So I have a few days back I have made a video. I think I should be able to show you. I think this is the one. This is the one in the, so this is 8th February video which I made, and I said that to me Hindalco looks very promising, right? I have suggested on 8th of February that the Hindalco looks extremely promising to me. It was somewhere here at this place, 278 or 283 on 8th of February. Where is 8th of February? Somewhere here at this place, on this big candle, right? You see this big candle, we were at this place, and I said that the Hindalco is looking very good, and look at the move that has come after that. It has given a blast of about 20 points, right? And Hindalco, if you understand, is a stock which has a good lot size. The lot size is 4,300, right? And if it moves to 20 points, it's like a 4,300 into 20 is going to be almost 86,000 rupees. That's the move this stock has given, right? So once again, quickly, I am having on my radar Sun Pharma, Ambuja Cement. Although I'm finding ACC very good, I'm finding Shree Cement very good, but I'm not giving those stocks, right? Jindal Steel, I'm finding Marico very good, right? There has been these 5 days that Marico is consolidating on a sideways move, and if this high is broken, which is roughly about 418 or 420, we can definitely expect a move in Marico. VDL looks very good, like it's about to cross its peak, something like the way Hindalco crossed. It looks to be crossing in a similar fashion, right? So if it goes with volumes above this place, we can definitely expect a target of 200, right? Then I have one more stock for you tomorrow, and that is HCL Tech. One is HCL Tech, which is looking extremely good to me. What is HCL Tech? So yesterday, guys, so sorry, I forgot that uh, uh, info edge is called Naukri. I'm so sorry. So this is how HCL Tech looks like. Where do we take an entry? Right above this candle's high is broken, right? So we take an entry at 973. Our first target is going to be 982. If 982 is broken, then we can expect a move till about this point, which is 996. So not a bad move, like it's going to be about 20 points move from the point that we will enter, right? So HCL Tech also looks extremely good to me. And one last stock that is on my radar is Pidilite, right? This is how Pidilite looks like, consolidating for over how many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. In case it goes above almost 1800, I'm expecting a target of 1840, right? So quickly, once again, my trades are Sun Pharma, Ambuja Cement, Jindal Steel, Marico, and Pidilite, and HCL Tech. Let me just add HCL Tech here also, so that I don't have a challenge after that. HCL Tech, this is BSC. I'm going to add up the NSE one. So here is HCL Tech, right? So these are the stocks which are on my radar for tomorrow. The market looks still positive because, see, internationally there is nothing happening. One, two, there are no triggers. So the movement in the market is very sluggish. Like it's not very, what do you say? It's not very volatile at this point of time, but definitely this market is. I'm not shorting it, right? I am not shorting it because I have a feeling market still plans to go up. Like this candle is an indication, and if you have a look at Bank Nifty, just a move of 31 points, right? So although the price is shifting, and if this low is broken, then all our analysis will be of no use, right? We can expect a fall in the market, right? All the stocks which are standing for a breakout will break in the downward direction. But yet I'm feeling that there should be a move in the upward direction, right? Because the movement that has come is not a very strong move, right? It's, you cannot say that this move that we saw today was an extremely strong or robust move. It's a very sluggish move, right? So I still feel that market has a capacity to go up, right? The only thing is somewhere, the support from the um, a Bank Nifty or Bank Nifty components has to come. So if that comes, I'm 100% sure Nifty will blast, and minimum target for the next week expiry will be 15,500, and you can check what is happening. This is, I think, next week's expiry of Nifty, and if you see the highest contracts that have been written today are somewhere here at this place, right? If you see, this is one place, 15,200, and on the put side, if you see, it's at 15,100. So I think market is going to remain a very in a very narrow range, right? But if I look into the broader perspective, 14,800 is a very strong support zone, right? On the higher side, for 15,500 is going to be a very strong resistance zone. So let's see tomorrow how it goes. But guys, see, this is my Twitter handle, and I have given IDFC on 15th, and I have suggested to buy it above 46, right? You see here, if you read it, buy above 46. Oh god, target is 45. How can target be lower? So anyway, now today this stock has given a breakout, right? Today this stock IDFC has given a breakout, and see here how beautifully the breakout has come. Before that, it never crossed 46. Today it crossed 46, and look at the move. It has touched 50.7, right? Almost like 10% move, 10% move in one day, right? So that's the beauty of learning. So as I always keep saying, because stock market is a mad place, right? There is same stock, somebody is buying, somebody's selling the option, somebody buying that option, somebody's hedging it, somebody's shorting it, somebody's buying it, somebody's buying its future, somebody's buying its call, somebody's buying its cash, somebody's shorting this put. So it's a very chaotic place, but there is a method in that madness. And how do you find that method in the madness so that you can get the bank on stocks? Only solution for that is learning. So keep learning, keep earning, and become financially independent. That is what our agenda is. So this is my channel. Keep joining over here. You get one bang on trade over here, and today we have given the trade of which really gave a good move was ICICI Prudential, right? We have given ICICI Prudential. It made 3-4 points. It made a move of 3-4 points. So if it is a lot size of I have given a ICICI Prudential buy at 490. It made a high of 494.5. So 1500 lot size, 4.5 point, 6,000 rupees. I think it's pretty good and pretty huge if you make it consistently. So with this, I'm going to be signing off. Take care of your health, and protect yourself from the coronavirus. It still has not gone. Please join me on my Twitter handle, and here you keep getting one stock where you keep getting good results and keep making money. Follow me on my YouTube channel, follow me on my Telegram channel, you can follow me on my Twitter handle. These are the places where you can get my very refined research, and there will be one more place soon where you can get my very refined research in the live market and all those trades that I'm going to personally be doing it. So take care, guys. All the best, and see you on my channel. And that's where I'm live the entire day. Bye bye. Take care.